Hello dear students, one more question from JEE. This question is taken from IIT JEE 2020 Mathematics. This coordinate geometry question is this. There is if the line 2x minus y plus 3 is 0 is at a distance of 1 by root 5 and 2 by root 5 from the lines 4x minus 2y plus alpha is equal to 0 and 6x minus 3y plus beta is equal to 0 respectively, then the sum of all possible values of alpha and beta. Okay, so question is saying that this line is at a distance of 1 by root 5 from this line, and this line is at a distance of 2 by root 5 from this line, in which alpha and beta is there. Okay, so concerned alpha beta we have to find, and then find the sum of alpha and beta. Okay, so if there are two lines, parallel lines, suppose these two lines are parallel, this line is parallel to this and this line is also parallel to this, because their coefficients are proportional. Okay, so we can write these two given lines in form of this line, so that we can actually so these are parallel with this line. Okay, so let this line L1 is equal to 4x minus 2y plus alpha is equal to 0. So we can divide by both sides by 2. So twice x minus y plus alpha by 2 is equal to 0. So this line can be written in the form of in this way. And line 2, similarly we can write line 2 by dividing 3 both sides. So with this line can be written as 2x minus y plus beta by 3 is equal to 0. So if there are two lines parallel to each other, then the distance of closest distance or shortest distance we can find. We take the constant terms d1 minus d2 upon under root of coefficients of these two lines. X coefficient is 2 and y coefficient is minus 1. So this is can be right, we can coefficient of x is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. Okay, coefficient of y, this should be equal to 0. Okay, not this should be equal to 0, because this is the parallel distance formula. Okay, so we can write 3 minus from this line to this line parallel distance, 3 minus alpha by 2 upon 2 square 4 plus 1 is minus 1 square 1 is equal to 1 by root 5. Okay, this is 1 by root 5. So from here we take mod. Okay, we can take mod. Okay, so 6 minus alpha upon 2 root 5 mod of this is equal to 1 by root 5. So root 5 will cancel. 6 minus alpha is equal to 2 mod of 6 minus alpha is equal to 2. We can write 6 minus alpha is equal to plus minus 2. So from here we take plus sign, 6 minus alpha is equal to plus 2. So from here minus alpha is equal to minus 4. Okay, so alpha is equal to 4. Okay, and take minus 2. So 6 minus alpha is equal to minus 2. So minus alpha is equal to minus 8. So alpha is equal to 8. So values of alpha comes out to be 4 and 8. Okay, similarly we can find beta also by doing the parallel distance between this line and this line. Okay, so using this result, so we can write 3 minus beta by 3 whole mod divided by coefficient is same, 4 square 2 square 4 plus minus 1 square 1 is equal to 2 by root 5. Okay, so this is 9 minus beta upon 3 root 5 modulus of this 2 by root 5. So root 5 will cancel. So 9 minus beta should be equal to 6. Mod of 9 minus beta is equal to 6. So opening the modulus function. So 9 minus beta should be equal to plus minus 6. So minus beta, take plus sign, minus beta is equal to plus 6 minus 9. So it is minus 3. So beta is 3. अब take minus sign. So taking minus sign, we can find taking minus sign. So we can write 9 minus beta is equal to minus 6. So minus beta is equal to minus 15. Okay, so beta is equal to plus 15. So the values of alpha betas are cos 3 and 15. These are the possible values of beta. We already find values of alpha, that is 4 and 8. Okay, so we have required the sum of values of alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta, from these two it is 7, and from this two we can write the possible values of alpha beta required. So if we add with 3 it is 7, we add 4 with 15 it is 19. Similarly we add 8 plus 3, so it is 11. So if we add 8 plus 15 it is 23. Okay, so these are the possible values of alpha plus beta: 7, 19, 11, 23. So in this way we can do this question very well. Thank you.